today I'm going to unbox this in ASMR whispering style. I know I haven't done it for quite some time now, and a lot of you have been waiting for this. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this. By the way, this video is not sponsored by any of this company. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up and check it out. Oh, this is the fitness kit. Cool. Resistant Band Guide. Vitality Life. This is a hand therapy ball, and this one is the firm. Wow, yeah, it is much firmer than the other one. I think the other one might be softer. Yeah, this one is softer. I'm gonna put this one back in here. It says strengthen hand and forearms, relieve stress and carpal tunnel. And this one just come with it was open. Some of this got ripped open. So as you can see, this one is much softer. Oh, I need to exercise. Yeah, very good. So you don't get carpal tunnel syndrome. Either type it on your keyboard too long or sit on your computer desk too long. Yeah, so you gotta move around. So these are the Resistant Band X Heavy, and this one is heavy. And this one is just an exercise band. So yeah, you gotta wrap this around your leg and do some stretch. And this one is heavy. And this one's X heavy. So this one is much sturdier, much stronger. See the guide. Oh, so you could work on your arms. So the arm curl, chest curl, C-row, tricep kickback, seated adductors, got the leg press, chest fly, shoulder squeeze, back fly, twist, and then that's it. This one is the yoga mat. It says durable, water resistant, lightweight. This one is 72 inch by 24 inch. Mat thickness 1/8 inch. Material is TPE. Do not clean in the washer or dryer. So yeah, it's pretty thin. It's a pretty long mat. And this is the back. It has like a wavy design. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. I always